the judges, they fear reporting because, my learned Attorney General, since the last hearing, what has happened to a judge of the Islamabad High Court, his personal data, which cannot be accessed by a private person, was put on the social media.
Yes.
That is an intimidation. That is what affects a judge, and all those matters, mind you. My lord is on the bench, 2.5 hours of Judicial Commission's meeting. Each one of them was discussed. Even his green card was mentioned, and he was opposed by the judges from within and from outside because he was independent. Now, it is about independent judges. The internal problems, it is for us to sort out. It is the external, the state is to protect the judges and independence of judiciary. When it becomes the aggressor, which each high court is saying, that is what is the issue. And it is happening. It is a phenomena that has happened for the last 76 years. And this is what each high court is endorsing. It is happening today.
My lord, if I may,
Attorney General,
just a brief response.